I can see you being eyeing off our nail serum pens, and I know you're skeptical, but that's okay. I'm about to give you 3 reasons why you and your nails are going to love this. 1, we hand make and formulate everything here in our Gold Coast warehouse. So what that means is that you're only putting the highest quality ingredients on your nails. Number 2, just jump on our website and have a look what our customers have to say, and they will show you exactly why your nails need this. Check these out. Like, look at the size of this one. Number 3, we wouldn't be getting hundreds of repeat orders a day if it didn't work. So if you're ready to gain the confidence back in your hands and nails and use an Australian product that is actually going to give you results, then this is your sign. Now click that link below. I'm going to give you an extra sneaky little discount code for today. And if you have any questions, just drop them down in the comments and we will answer any questions you have about our amazing product. But this is your sign. You've got to give it a go.